Hi guys, so welcome to another exciting video. In today's video, we are making this very beautiful Ghana flag beaded key holder to celebrate Ghana's Independence Day. Stick and stay. So the items needed are sugar beads, fishing line, 0.6, scissors, and then our keychain. This is very easy to make, okay? So please stick and stay to the end. You can also make it. So you're going to cut your fishing line, then you pick 6 sugar beads, but this time we are dealing with colors. So 6 yellow sugar beads, 6 yellow sugar beads. Yes, 6 yellow sugar beads. Then you are going to cross with a sixth bead. You are crossing with a sixth bead. You are crossing with a sixth bead. After crossing, you are going to put both ends of the fishing line together like this. Then you pick the only black bead there. Then you put it on the fishing line. You pull it down. Please watch here carefully. This is what you are going to do. And then you place it gently at the middle. Okay, like this. So yeah, you are going to pick the left fishing line. Then you pass it through this bead. This very bead. Then you're going to pick the right fishing line. You pass it through the same bead. You're passing it through the same bead like this. It means you have crossed. So you're going to pull it like so. Yes, this is what we have. This is what we have. So after this, you are going to make sure that your work is firm here, and then you put the work down. You are going to pick your left fishing line. Please, your left fishing line. Then you are going to pick 5 green beads, 5 green beads, 5 green sugar beads. You are going to put all 5 on your left fishing line like this, and then you are going to cross with a 5th bead. You are crossing with a 5th bead. This is very easy to make, okay? So please stick and stay. So after crossing with a 5th bead, this is what you have. You are going to pass your right fishing line through the next bead beside it like I just did, and then you pick your left fishing line again. Then you pick 4 beads, 4 green beads, 4 green beads. Then you're going to put all the 4 green beads on your left fishing line, all 4 beads on your left fishing line. Then you are going to cross with the 4th bead. You are crossing with the 4th bead. After that, make sure you pull it very firmly. You pick your right fishing line, this one. You pass it through the next bead beside it like this, like this. You are going to pick 4 green beads again, 4 green beads again. So yes, you are going to put all 4 beads on your left fishing line, all your 4 green beads on your left fishing line. Then you are going to cross with the 4th bead. You are crossing with the 4th bead like this, like this. So after crossing with the 4th bead, just guess what, we are done with the green bead here. So you are going to continue with the red bead. So you pick your right fishing line, you pass it through this very bead. Then you are going to pick 4 red beads. You are picking 4 red beads, 4 red beads, and then you're going to put all the 4 red beads on your left fishing line, on your left fishing line. You are putting all the 4 red beads on your left fishing line. Then you are crossing with the 4th bead. You are crossing with the 4th bead. Yes, crossing with the 4th bead. Then you pick your right fishing line, you pass it through the next bead beside it, and then you are going to pick 4 red beads again. You are picking 4 red beads again, then you insert it on the fishing line, and then you are going to cross with the 4th bead. You are crossing with the 4th bead. We are almost done, okay? We are almost done. I told you that it is very easy to make. We are almost done. Just can you see our Ghana flag is coming out so well? So here you are going to pick your right fishing line, then you pass it through the yellow and the green bead. Watch carefully. This one, and then this one. Can you see how beginner friendly this video is? So here you are going to pick your last 3 beads. Here you are picking 3 beads and then your keychain. So you are going to insert all your 3 red beads on your fishing line. Your 3 red beads on your fishing line, and then you insert the keychain. You insert your keychain together with the bead. So here we are going to make a knot. We are making a knot. Yes, we are making a knot. Wow, can you see what I am seeing? Of course, our key holder has formed really nice. Our Ghana Independence Day key holder. Yes, but we are not done. So you see our fishing line was very long, so I just had to make a cut here, and then I would continue the process. So here, don't skip this part, okay? It is very necessary so that it will keep your knots very secured. So please watch carefully. You are going to go through some beads, about 5 or more beads, just so your knot is properly secured. So please watch carefully and do same. So since the other fishing line has gone through a lot, and then this one has also been through some beads, yeah, just make sure you pull them out very well. When you pass it through any bead, pull it out very well, okay? Yes, so this is what we have. We are going to cut, but before, please pull the excess out. This is a scale, yes, and then you cut it nicely. Then you go to the other side. Here you're about to make your cut here too. So yes, this is what we have now. So you see, this very one has black bead in the middle, representing the black star of Ghana, the black star. So this is the red, the yellow, the green, and then our black star. So yes, this is what we have. But if you want to do a key holder or the same key holder without the black star, you are going to have to check my description for the link to that video. And if you enjoyed this video of this cute Ghana flag beaded key holder, please check my channel for other bead tutorials, because all my videos are very beginner friendly, that you can learn and then make yours. Thank you so much for watching up until now. I know you have been able to make it, and so congratulations. And as always, if you need any of the items used in this video, please check the description for the contact details. Thank you so much, and see you in our next video.